Marshmallow. Hello everyone! I am happy to see you again. Do you like learning about food? That's good to hear. This time we will learn about marshmallows. Take a look at the picture. These are marshmallows. What color are they? Yes, they are pink and white. Let's study some words to start.
Common. If something is common, it happens often. It isn't special. In the picture, the boy gets his picture taken in front of the dinosaur. Many people get a picture taken in front of the dinosaur, so it is not special. It is common. Roast. When you roast food, you cook it by heating it. Usually, we roast food in an oven or over a fire. In the picture, sausages are on the grill. They are being roasted.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Roast. Common. Now it's time to read. After you read it, you will take a quiz. Do you know what a marshmallow is? It's a soft sugar candy. The most common color is white, but there are many other colors of marshmallows too. They also come in various shapes. Marshmallows are popular when camping. People roast them over a fire. People also eat marshmallows with other foods. Hot chocolate is one of them.
What is the most common color of marshmallow? Pink. White. What is true about marshmallows? People make chocolate with them. People roast them over a fire.
Do you like hot chocolate? Do you put marshmallows in the hot chocolate? This is the end of our class for now. See you next time. Goodbye.